Orange ones are trash, dude. The blue and red ones are the best.
Oh, hell no. The blue and red ones are the most disgusting ones ever. They taste like medicine.
They taste like cotton candy, dude. The orange and green ones taste like dirt and grass.
No, they do not. Look, it matches my outfit.
Just because it matches your outfit doesn't mean it's good.
It's the best flavor, Joseph.
No, it's not. The blue and red ones have their own bag.
Yeah, so people can avoid them and know to throw them away.
So stupid. Why are they getting their own?
Something anomalous is in your immediate area, and it seeks to harm you. There is no time to run, and you cannot fight it. You must hide if you wish to stay safe. Hiding locations could include in wardrobes, behind large pieces of furniture, or under your bed. Remain silent. Remain still. Try to breathe steadily and quietly.